Alright YouTube, so today I'm reviewing the Dash Glass Interior Detailer Cleaner from Turtle Wax. And what I like about this Turtle Wax Dash and Glass Cleaner is that you can use it on your technology screen, so I use it on mine. You can use it on the glass and you can use it on the dash, so it's like a catch-all spray for everything. So as you can see, the Adrenaline's interior looks pretty clean and it smells amazing too. It's like it's got air freshener scent in it too. So I'm actually going to turtle wax my mats after this. I've used this stuff probably since I've got this car, and I love that you can use it on the dash and on the screen and on the glass too. So I think it's about $5.50 a bottle is what I got it for, in the green turtle wax bottle of course. But you know, you can spray it on the rag, you can spray it down here in little spurts. I'm using a microfiber cloth. Polish that Microsoft Sync badge because we all love Microsoft. And it's good at really shining things up. So I highly recommend it. It's a great product. I get it at Walmart because it's cheaper than the auto parts stores. But just wiping it off there, you can see it works wonders. Of course, I have to get in these little grooves. But again, the thing I love about this product is that it captures everything. The dash, the glass, and the technology screen is the biggest thing. So it's a cool catch-all product for your entire interior. Again, highly recommend it. Turtle Wax Dash and Glass Cleaner. Dashboards, touch screens, streak-free glass, oh, and even household cleaning. So again, I recommend picking up a bottle. Hit like, subscribe, or ask any questions in the comments. Thanks.